Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video we're gonna see log issue in VMware or any virtual machine. Currently I'm using VMware. So without any delay, let's get started. When I prompt over my Linux system, which is logged recently, as you can see here, your virtual machine is logged and it's giving two options. The first one is take the ownership and the second one is cancel. So okay, it's giving the path 2. When I copy this path, okay, let me copy, and I will, okay, and now I will paste it in the address bar. Okay, sorry, I will paste it again and I will hit enter. And as you can see, in the first folder it's saying it's on lck file, which is log file for the system. And when I delete it, okay, I will go back again and see if the issue is resolved or not. So now when I click the Linux system again, it should work. Okay, oh yeah, okay, fine, it's working now. This generally happens because when the suddenly system gets turned off, this issue basically raise. So that's it for today, guys, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Goodbye.